Hello friends, Namaskar. I am Praveen Kumar Rai and I hail from Lucknow City, Uttar Pradesh. Today I will discuss two broad categories of our education system. First one is the formal education which we get from school and universities. I have done bachelor's in information technology and various courses on software development. My dream was to become a top software developer and get a job in a top software company. But I was not alone in dreaming about that job. There are thousands of software engineers who have the exact same dream. How many of them can achieve their dreams? There is one job for thousands of engineers. It means the rest are all unemployed. The fault lies in our education system. Our education system teaches us how to apply for the job, but nowhere it teaches us what to do after applying for the job and if you get rejected. It does not teach you how to achieve financial freedom in your life after you get rejected. Today, I'm going to tell you about a second category of education, financial education. It is called the Academy of Private Investor. In this academy, you receive the financial education, and with the help of this knowledge, you can achieve all of your dreams and live your life with financial freedom. Also, point to note is that you would not get this education in any school and college of this country other than our academy. So friends, let's join the Academy of Private Investor and achieve our dreams with financial independence.